Dualit NewGen Polished Chrome 4 Slots Toaster for Slice. The original Dualit toaster incorporates trademark mechanical timer and ejector lever. With the ability to select only the slots you need to use, new gen models offer additional defrost and bagel functions. The Dualit Classic Toaster combines simplicity and sophistication perfectly. With extra wide 28mm slots, it accommodates the Dualit sandwich cake, which has a built-in drip tray, and allows for easy making of grilled cheese sandwiches and other toasters. Dualit Worldwide sells one sandwich cake and a warming wag with every toaster sold. Each toaster is hand-assembled from start to finish. Who made your toaster? Find the assembler's name on the base plate. Fully repairable or replaceable parts for a toaster that will last a lifetime. Dualit US Service Center is able to perform all of the services and repairs. Exclusive to Dualit, Pro Heat elements have a protective armor-plated layer covering the filament, making them virtually unbreakable.